Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to do a video on Myro after an amazing AMA. We had Dr. DeFi, of course, Smitty up in there. This was just epic. A lot of wisdom being dropped from community members. And we're going to talk about some of that stuff. We're also going to talk about how somebody turned basically $1,200 into $35,000. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video where we'll also do some price prediction, technical analysis. If you're part of this community, if you guys are rocking with this good boy Myro, let's get this video to over 100 likes and also take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion AMA down below. Link where we'll be doing AMAs and tapping in and talking all things Myro. So make sure you guys stay tapped in with me. We're on CoinMarketCap. Of course, we're sitting at a $56 million market cap. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's not forget that. None of this is financial advice, but let's go ahead and take off, man. We had an epic AMA, right? We talked about staking, and right away when you have something like that, I like to come check the sentiment, right? So it's important for us to engage on all levels because it takes a village, of course. And right over here, we can see people getting bullish right back on Myro and these things happening. Big shout out to my guy, Harvey, always pushing Myro to the end. I'm not going to fade my good boy Myro, and neither is Harvey. I've been seeing this man just going in hard, pushing nonstop for Myro, and that's how it should be, because a lot of people, and we talked about this in the AMA when somebody said, hey, I'm new to meme coins, I got into Myro. We've seen they got in at 4 cents, so they're still in profit, but they rode it all the way to 25. Now we're back down, and they were scared, right? And that is FUD, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And there was some FUD in the air or whatnot, but we talked to them, and I mentioned in that AMA, make sure you guys tap in. Dr. DeFi held it down for us, but we talked about how if you invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu before you became a millionaire, you had to watch that $1,000 go down to $1. Am I saying the same thing's going to happen tomorrow? I don't think so. This is a different climate, different type of environment going off as far as the crypto ecosystem. But I do believe that we're poised in a position to be able to see some of these scenarios where we print millionaires. I do see that upside potential. Make sure you guys give me a follow at Rico Moneybags while you guys are staying tapped in. Now let's head over before we go to some price prediction, technical analysis. This is before staking. This is before the social media platform that, we're tapping in with Raj to make sure that we provide something for the Solana ecosystem. And you guys can see by the thumbnail, this is why I use this thumbnail right here. We got Surfer Spotlight turning $1,200 into $22,000, but really $35,000. We're going to see how this was done. Of course, this is not for everybody. Maybe it can happen to you, maybe not. But do your own research, not financial advice. But let's jump right into this. So on February 2nd, Myro had taken an 85% dive from its all-time high. Surfer, this wallet right here, 52cc, decided to seize the opportunity, opening up a daring 29x long position with $883 at 4 cents, so almost 5 cents. He didn't stop there, adding another $449 to the ride, to ride the wave, and within 2 minutes a final $85. You gotta love that. Just got all the way into it, right? And taking a total prize of $35,000 in profit. Mind you, this is before staking. This is before our social media fi app comes out, what Raj wanted us to do, and I believe that Myro is positioned to do that, right? This is the one to do it, right? So with impeccable timing, the tide turned and Myro surge after a trader 52cc built his position at the bottom in just a day. Myro price skyrocketed 92%, hitting 8.9. Seizing the moment, trader 52cc decided to take profit just as Myro began its second leg up and close on its position at 7 cents. The result, a jaw dropping 22K. But remember, it kept going. We went all the way to 20-some cents, so it could have kept going. But one thing we're always going to talk about and how you don't get shooken out of your position is plan your trade and trade your plan. That's what 52cc did right there. And hopefully we will continue to do this. I know we can, to be honest with you guys. This is a $1 billion project, and we do talk about prices here on the channel. And it's just for entertainment reasons and for educational reasons that we do this. So to teach new people coming into Myro how to understand support and resistance. We got Myro is #1 meme coin by social engagement mention and highlights. Let's like and retweet this. Let's get this video to over 100 likes like every Myro video has been doing. Let's get this tweet, because I make a tweet after every video. Let's make sure that we go ahead and go hard on that tweet as well. You know, like and retweet everything, not just my YouTube videos, but other YouTuber videos as well, because our bag is invested in this and we're ready to ride our good boy Myro to the moon. So that's what's going to be going down right here. Let's go ahead and jump to these prices and get this video started on what you guys been asking me. Of course, I'm still bullish on Myro. We're looking at the long term. None of these things, and yeah, the prices have came down. We keep losing supports. There was FUD, but we're starting to see, as Dr. DeFi keeps holding these spaces and people keep engaging, that the belief is coming back. We're going to keep talking about it. We're going to be transparent on the channel. But we're going to be talking about these opportunities where the resistance is at that 10 cents. So we're talking about this area once again. And let's go ahead and adjust this just so we can scroll up. This is that support right above that 5 cents mark. We'll keep holding on to that. And this is bullish. This could be where you accumulate, right? This is where you DCA. If you're looking to be one of those guys to take advantage and possibly make a $22,000 profit, you know, that could potentially happen all over again. We're in those same zones. So we're within that same, you know, area that if we did the same climb back to all-time high, we could see something like that. We're sitting at a $62 million market cap. We can most definitely start to go back towards that $100 million market cap and beyond. Right now, our range that we're going to be paying attention to is breaking past that 10 cents mark, making a support above it and holding on. This is all before staking. This is all before the social media platform. So mind you, Myro is poised to be that billion-dollar project on Solana, and this is before utilities are coming out that we're cruising at a $62 million market cap, and for sure can push back up to $100 million market cap. And after that, that $1 billion kind of just happens like kind of crazy and kind of fast. I've seen it before in the space. If you're an OG to the channel, you guys know that that's how it happened. It just kind of happens out of nowhere. Next, you know, it's 300 million, 400 million, and then we pass $500 million market cap and FOMO kicks in and we take off to that Billy. So keep your eyes on Myro. Keep pushing hard. Let's keep our engagement up. We're going to keep trending on socials because we have one of the best communities on Solana, hands down. So let's go ahead and keep pushing this one. The prices we'll be looking at, it's getting above that 10 cents mark, and that's what we're looking at. Go ahead and listen to that space that we had with Dr. DeFi. Amazing stuff. I mean, some wisdom dropped in there from not just, you know, people that are heavy hitters into space as far as influencers or whatnot, but I think some wisdom also being dropped from a lot of community members that spoke and said what they felt about holding their position. So very powerful space today. Had me feeling even a lot more bullish on Myro. Snatched up some more Myro, and this is a zone that I will buy Myro on every support level because I believe that this is a $1 billion project. I make profit somewhere else. I'm adding to that Myro bag because I seen what happened in the past with Sheep and Doge. I'm not going to sleep on this one. Not going to fade this good boy Myro. Looking forward to the Saga cell phone, what we can do, and make sure, Smitty said this, make sure you guys tag Raj and everything to do when we're talking about that social media platform. Let's go hard. Let's keep pushing. Let's go and complete the hidden mile so we can run this marathon together. Like, comment, subscribe, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.